right, so let's go ahead and look at this problem. It's a multi-step problem, so that means we're going to do our UPS check plan so we don't get confused. Ava starts a business making oil paintings of people's pets. She buys the items shown in the table. She has her paints and other supplies. She charges $75 for an unframed painting. Okay, that seems like it's important. She charges $75 for a painting. Okay, and our question is, if she sells 20 paintings, how much profit will she make? Okay, so we're looking for profit. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. Okay, so she spent money on canvas and master brush set. Okay, so these are her expenses. We need to combine these to find the total expenses. And we also need to figure out how much she would have charged for 20 paintings at $75 each. All right, so let's do that. UPS check. If I'm writing it, you're writing it. Okay. So we said that we know that she's making paintings and that she's going to sell 75 paintings. Nope. She's going to sell how many paintings? Right, she's going to sell 20 paintings. How much do they cost? Right, $75 each. Good job. All right, and we also know that she has expenses and that we're going to multiply the 20 paintings times $75. That's one thing we're going to do. Another thing we're going to do is add the expenses together. And then the last thing we're going to have to do is subtract the expenses from the price, the amount of money that she received. So this is step 1, step 2, and then step 3, we'll subtract expenses. Okay, I'm running out of room. We're going to subtract expenses from the total money she received. All right. So let's go ahead and do that. We are going to multiply 20 times 75. The way that we do that is we break up our number 75 into expanded notation. So we'll have 20 and we're going to multiply that by 70 and 5. Okay? So you see this? 20 times 75 is the same as 20 times 70 and 5. Okay? So step 1, let's do 2 times 7. 2 times 7, that's 14. Good job. And I just ignored these 1, 2 zeros, so I need to add them to my 14. Okay, so 20 times 70 is 1,400. Now we're going to do 20 times 5. What's 2 times 5? All right, 2 times 5 is 10. And then I ignored the 0, so I need to add him back here. So the amount of money that she received from selling 20 paintings at $75 each is $1,500. Whoa, she made a lot of money selling those paintings, didn't she? Okay, well, let's see what those expenses were so we can subtract that and see how well she did. Our expenses were, okay, so let's go ahead and add these up. 1 plus 9, that's 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 8 is 11. Once again, I'm carrying. All right, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7, and then we'll just remember this is an invisible 0 there. 2 plus 0 is 2. Okay, so her expenses, these are her expenses, was $276.10. Okay, we're going to have to take that away from this $1,500 that she was paid for those 75 paintings. Okay, so we have $1,500, and we're going to take away the $276.10 that she spent on expenses. Spent on expenses. That's kind of tricky to say. All right, so 0 minus 0 is 0. I can't take 1 from this 0. And my neighbors next door, he can't share. This one can't share. So we're going to take from this whole number here, and this is going to change from 500 to 499, and then we can go ahead and add that 10 here that we're borrowing. Okay, so 10 minus 1, that's 9. 9 minus 6, that's 3. 9 minus 7, that's 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, and then we'll drop down this 1. 1 plus 0, 1 minus 0 is still 1. Okay, so really, she made $1,223.90 in profit. That's from selling 20 paintings. Wow, that's awesome.